Hi, I'm Tim, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, what we like to talk about is mortgages, credit, building wealth, all that good stuff. So welcome. If you like that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button or leave me a comment. We'll love to hear from you. So on this video, what we're talking about is Michigan First-Time Homebuyer programs for 2023. And I created this nice little guide here. And if you want a copy, go ahead and email me. I'll send you a copy of this guide. So it explains all the first-time homebuyer programs for Michigan. And this is for 2023. So this year. It's been updated. And has my contact information here. It also should be in the description. So here's my email, my phone number, how to get a hold of me. So we're going to talk about loan programs. That's what we're talking about, loan programs. And then the first loan program, what I want to talk about is FHA. And I'm just going to read this verbatim, and then I'll just kind of explain it to you. So FHA is available to all buyers. FHA homes are designed to help credit-worthy, low to moderate income families who do not meet requirements for conventional loans. So the FHA will help you if your credit's not the best, if your income's high or a little low. FHA is a government-backed loan. It's a great program. It's backed by the government, and it's designed to help you get into homes. So it's a great loan for first-time home buyers, whether if your credit's not perfect, your income's not perfect, you don't meet the regular conventional guidelines, you can get an FHA loan. The second one, what I want to talk about is right here. It's called the �MSHA Down Payment Assistance Program. Now, I just did a video about �MSHA and some of the changes and things like that. So it's the video right before this one. So if you want to learn nothing and everything about �MSHA Down Payment Assistance, watch the previous video. So the state of Michigan Housing Department Authority offers down payment assistance to people with no monthly payments. The down payment assistance program offered assistance up to $7,500 statewide, and then as much as $10,000 in these zip codes in Michigan. The funds can be spent on your closing costs, your prepaid expenses, taxes, and down payment itself. So let's talk about this one now. The down payment assistance program is great. It's offered by the state of Michigan. So the state of Michigan will give you $7,500 in most of the places, and then $10,000 for those zip codes. Basically what I got from it, if you're in like a Metro Detroit, like a Detroit, a Pontiac, a little bit urban area, it's like $7,500. But anywhere else where it's a little more expensive, the home prices are more, you get $10,000. And it can go towards anything like your down payment, your closing costs, your insurance, anything it can go towards. It's a great program because some people just don't have, all this money sitting around and able to buy a home, so you can do �MSHA. Now you do need decent credit. You do need to put, I think, 1% down or 1% into the transaction. So if the home's $100,000, you need at least $1,000. So you need a little bit of money. And it's the same thing if you were to rent. You're going to need a little bit of money. But in general, you're going to get $7,000 or $10,000 to help you with that. So you need a little bit of money, but you don't need all the money. All right, let's talk about the next program. And the next program here is called USDA. This is another great program for first-time home buyers. A USDA loan is a zero down payment mortgage eligible for rural and suburban home buyers. FHA loans are issued through the USDA program, also known as Rural Development Guarantee Housing Program by the United States. So this one, basically, if you're in an area like outside of the main area, you can do this one. And what's great about a USDA loan is that there's no down payment. Now, even though there's no down payment, you still have closing costs. So you have to cover your closing costs. But still, no down payment, that's awesome. So that's called a USDA loan. All right. And then we're going to go here with VA loan. So the Veteran Affairs makes it easier for veterans to obtain Financing for home ownership. VA loans are eligible to veterans and military active members. VA are guaranteed department. VA loans are somewhat easier to qualify than conventional mortgage. So also about the VA loan, there's no down payment. So VA loan, no down payment. But remember, you still need a little bit of money for your closing costs and other things. But it's a great loan. It does have a little bit lower credit standards. It's a government-backed loan, kind of like an FHA loan. So it's a similar thing like that. So that's a good option here. And then lastly, let's talk about conventional mortgage. Conventional. So one of the advantages of a conventional mortgage is that the borrower can avoid paying upfront mortgage insurance and possible the monthly mortgage insurance of an FHA loan if a borrower makes a down payment of 20%. The rates of mortgage insurance vary according to the credit score, debt to income, the loan type, and loan to value. So conventional mortgage is a private mortgage. It's not backed by the FHA, which is like a government-backed loan, or VA, backed by government affairs. It's a private mortgage. So it's a little bit harder to qualify for. And they look at everything, like your credit, your down payment, all this different stuff. But a conventional mortgage is a good mortgage. Most of the time, people can use a FHA mortgage or USDA mortgage to get into a home, and maybe later on refinance to a conventional mortgage. And those are basically the main programs for first-time home buyers. And as you know, I'm here to help you qualify for the right program. And what we can do for you, we can create a game plan for you to buy, because this is a big purchase and you're going to need a game plan. A lot of times contact me maybe 6 months, a year before. We'll go over everything and come up with a game plan. I'll help you determine your needs and goals. I'll walk you through the loan process, assist you with getting pre-approved, and I'll provide constant updates for you. And then when you're ready, we'll get you closed fast. So that's what we'll do for you. And here are the next steps here. You want to talk to me on my calendar link. You want to get into our group, the First-Time Homebuyer group. That's in the description below. And I think to chat with me is in the description below. So that's it. And if you want a copy of this PDF, like I said, go ahead and email me. I'll send you a copy of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions, you have concerns, leave me a comment. I'd love to talk to you. I'll have to answer it for you. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next video.